They expose their need and desire to be the better version of themselves. Peace, how you doing? This is Ebenor Alexander, host of King's Corner. All I can say is, wow. The nice session with Eric Kellum, him reading from his work, Soul Work. It was such a powerful session. Poems that touched on the issues of midlife crisis in men. That touched on father wounds. That touched on what are we passing on to our future generation. The conversation that came from that was so rich, and the Kings really opened up. They exposed their father wounds, exposed their mother wounds. More importantly, they exposed their need and desire to be a better version of themselves. If you would like to be a guest host on the future King's Corner, please DM us at King's Corner BMH or at Blackman Hill. We can't wait to have you. Peace.